time I flame. Cold-blooded in this, yeah, you know my name. Homegirl, I'm doing my thing. Put it down in the real, that's just my game. No, they act the same. Start feeling they suck, start acting up.
Hi guys, it's me Alicia, and about a week ago I filmed a full wash day routine on my natural hair, and when I went to edit the footage I was looking at my hair and I was like, what's going on here? Like, why does my hair look crazy like this? And that's when I did some research and realized that I had a severe case of moisture overload. So in this video, I wanted to use my Olaplex take-home products, which is not sponsored. I purchased all these products with my own money. You can check down below if you're interested. But I wanted to use my Olaplex product line to see if this will help restore my hair, because honey, my hair was a mess. And if you look closely, I'm not even gonna lie guys, I have heat damage as well. Last year I did get 2 silk presses done to my hair and I ended up with heat damage. So I'm hoping that the Olaplex product line will actually help with restoring my hair. However, I know my heat damage won't revert back, but I do want to keep my hair on my head. So I'm starting off with the Olaplex number 0. And funny thing is, I didn't see too many videos where people were using this step. I think the number 3 step is the most popular. So I definitely wanted to incorporate number 0 in case you guys are wondering what's that all about. But online it does say that the number 0 step is a professional inspired treatment that primes hair for a deeper repair with the highest dose of the Olaplex technology treatment in any of the take-home products. So I'm guessing that this is just as helpful as step number 3. And if you have severely damaged hair like I do, or maybe you relax your hair, perm your hair, or even lift your hair, this step is crucial if you are looking to repair your hair from extreme amount of damage. So what I'm doing here is applying this liquid onto my hair. The liquid is like a water. When I first bought it, I thought it was going to be extremely messy, but it's really not. The nozzle is created to kind of drip onto your hair, so it doesn't like squeeze out everywhere. It drips onto the hair and your hair is able to absorb it. So with my density and my texture, I was actually able to get 3 applications with this one bottle. So if your hair is longer or thicker or curlier, you may not get as much. As you guys can see, this was my second time using it and that's how much I had left. I used it again and now it's done. But this is how my hair looks after using it. I did start off on freshly shampooed and dried hair with no product in it, and I allowed that to sit on my hair for 10 minutes. And this is how it looks after 10 minutes. So now I'm on step number 3, the popular step. So this is the product that everybody typically reaches for when you're having a bit of issues to your hair. Online it does state that this product does reduce breakage, it strengthens your hair, improves the overall look and feel of your hair, restores your natural texture, repairs damage, and protects the structure of your hair. So I did speak to my stylist about this product. She stated that the at-home products are great for maintenance. However, it's really important for you to sit down in your stylist's chair and get the actual treatment, which will be like step 1 and step 2 done to your hair if you have an extreme amount of damage. So I will recommend you guys going to speak to your stylist or getting a consultation if you have damage like I do. However, this is the maintenance line, so you may not get a significant amount of improvement with this product. However, it definitely helps. So right here I am applying the product to damped hair. My hair is still kind of damped from number 0. If you don't have step 0, then you can use a spray bottle or freshly shampooed hair you can apply it to. The 3-ounce bottle works good for about 3 applications with my hair type, and I allowed that to sit on my hair for about 40 minutes, I think. It does state 10 minutes on the bottle, but I did feel like 40 minutes won't hurt anybody. So yeah, the But after 40 minutes, this is how my hair looks. As you guys can see, it looks pretty much the same as it did before I applied step number 3. But now I am just going to rinse the product out of my hair, and I will be right back. Now that step 3 is rinsed out of my hair, looking at my hair, I noticed a significant amount of improvement just by step number 3. My hair before was very frizzy, it was mushy, elongated, no curls, and now I feel like my hair looks extremely strong and my curls are clumping. So off the bat, I would say, thumbs up to step number 3. It's working well with my hair. But now we're going to move on to the step 4, which is the bond maintenance shampoo. Typically with the shampoo, I'm just looking for it to remove product buildup and cleanse my hair and my scalp. However, online with this product, it does state that this shampoo repairs and protects hair from everyday stresses, including damaged hair, split ends, and frizz by relinking broken bonds. It leaves your hair easier to manage, shinier, healthier with the use, and it is color safe and is proven to reduce breakage and strengthen hair with time. So that sounds really good and all, but a shampoo to me is just a shampoo. I will be using it and watching how my hair repairs with time. However, I am just looking for it to remove the products from my hair and seeing how my hair feels afterwards. Does it feel stripped? Does it feel dry? Does it feel like it's gonna tangle? And with this product line, I will say that my hair did feel squeaky clean, but it didn't feel like it was going to snap. Looking at my hair here, you can tell my hair is clean. You can see the amount of, shrinkage in my root area because it's very clean. So I will say that the shampoo did do its job. Now let's move on to number 5, which is the Bond Maintenance Conditioner. This conditioner is very creamy. I do feel like my hair is a bit on the higher porosity side, so my hair does drink this product up. It's not super thick, so if you do have a lower porosity, this is going to work well with your hair. However, I do feel like I was only able to get 4 uses out of this product, so yeah, a little will have to stretch, okay? But anyways, online they do state that this product leaves your hair easier to manage, shinier and healthier with each use. It protects and repairs damaged hair, split ends, and frizz, as well as it relinks the bonds in your hair. It's color safe and it will strengthen your hair, making your hair feel stronger than ever. So looking at the back of the product, I do notice there is protein in this particular product, so it is going to give you more of a strengthier feel instead of soft and moisturized. So because of that, I will be going in with another conditioner just to add that bit of moisture. Even though I'm dealing with moisture overload, I still want my hair to feel nice and hydrated. So after 3 minutes I left this on, this is how my hair looks. I do feel like it's a bit soft, but not soft like it usually is. So I do feel like the protein in the product line is helping with my moisture overload. I'm going to go ahead and rinse this product out, and I'll be back with the next and final step. So the final step in my wash routine, which is completely optional for you, is to deep condition my hair. So I do believe Olaplex did release a deep conditioner, which I definitely want to get my hands on. But in the meantime, I wanted to use something that I'm more familiar with. So I'm taking my Pattern Heavy Conditioner for Coilies, and this conditioner is uber thick. Okay, so if you don't like thick conditioners, you might want to skip out on this one. But this one is super thick on my hair. What I feel like with this conditioner is that it definitely clumps my curls. It defines my hair. However, it doesn't give me that over moisturizing feeling. This is why I went ahead and grabbed for this, because again, I did have the moisture overload, so I didn't want to focus on moisturization right now. I wanted to focus on hydration as well as restoring the overall look of my hair. So I allowed this to sit on my hair for about 10 minutes and I went ahead and rinsed it out. My hair looked so much better. It even felt better as I was rinsing it. I just remember running my fingers through my hair and feeling the coils and the curls and just the overall smoothness of my hair. I didn't have that, you know, that cotton feeling that I had before. As you guys can see, this is how my hair now looks. I'm noticing my coils are back, my curls are back. I still have that heat damage in the front. That's not going anywhere until I cut it off. However, the overall look of my hair looks way better than it looked before. So I definitely recommend the Olaplex products if you do have damaged hair. This is a really quick length check because my hair does shrink more than 50% of the way. So I wanted to do just a really quick length check, and for those of you guys who are interested, I have been using biotin on my hair. I will link that down below if you are interested in the biotin that I do use. I have noticed a significant amount of healthiness with my hair since using it, as well as a reduction in shedding. But overall, guys, this is my hair. I'm still trying to, you know, bring it back to life. I still need to do more Olaplex treatments. This isn't something that's just going to happen with one treatment. You definitely have to use it multiple times. I'm also going to see my stylist and see what she can do. Leave a comment down below if you'd like for me to film that. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of my results, and I will catch you guys later. Bye guys.